Ntuku imwe nyuma yawe kujokia mumajwa otungata ngavana Mutumantu Ithinkia na atonyete OBC na kwambiria ngugi kiri ntuku yawe ya mbere Mutumana ekite muchemanio jwawe jwa mbere na kanjo ya minista Mutariria Weru Bomanto kiri ndwangi mwanya Mutuma ugite agatigira kuri na unenkaniria bubwega bwa thirikari kinya kethira gekatiba minista Bakawira babati kwaraniria nawe MCA nabo bakijukia kanya kweberia na kinya gutezaniria miswada iria baraikitie kweberia gitene bamwe ba aminista Bakawira. Mutuma ugite thirikari yawe ikarumira na inyamantu jegie ugima taure muthuri Murioki akurikithia.
Narua Governor Meru Reverend Mutumantu Ithinkia akinyite na mbere ofisine ya Governor Meru naja nandi etho akithirimana na minister ba county ya Meru abisa nene na kinya erekeria.
Narua ni ntuko ya mbere ya kwethira ndi ofisine ta Governor wa Meru. Wambere ngochokeria mwathani nkatho nontuba kumpaka anyaka
na untuba mbere nandi ni kubaritana ruthiomi rwawe ndurakwenda baitana rungugi.
Meru building together. Meru building together. Meru twajenga pamoja. Meru twajenga pamoja.
Akiona ikio tongeria bwawe bura kuthithia ni gwetithia na mbere ngugire chithuri gitu au kabere na kinya gutigira ni gwito bwega
kuendelea na ngugi ira etiiri ni those who came before us. Ni ngugi yaitirwa ni Governor wa mbere His Excellency Mheshimiwa Peter Munya. Ngugi yaitwa ni former Governor Mheshimiwa Kiraitu na the immediate former Governor who was also my boss Mama Kawira Mwangaza. So tuteyite kwambiriria kiri vacuum tuyirite kuendelea kana tuyite kuendelea kuma kiri misingi ira yaki ni akuru na yakuru baube shimanda daeta na ni unonton kuragia our top management team ya county government of Meru to amberia together na to amberia from a positive note nikenda tomba ko right of all the pain kana tolwa ni ororobora twethirite twinabo in the past in the political arena na unja
na mono nandi etho akinyire kagita gaka untu bura tegete ni gutigira Mumiru akwethwe na mbewe kwanda kagita gatu thengerete kimbura na nya gutigira ati cibitari cionthe ni gwitangugiro kubaterie
twambiririe kuthwania ni ate tugatethia antu ba Meru ni ate department ya agriculture ikaomba ku deliver mbeo kiri mwananchi na kuonia antu beto urimi bwa kinandi climate smart agriculture nikenda tomba kwethia twina food security in our county tukwaria mantu ya health ura tukaomba ku deliver effective and prompt health services to our wananchi beto ba Meru na kinya twariria mantu ya kuregister kiri program ya afya ile wetwa SHA kana Taifa Care nikenda antu beto bendelea kumenyerwa ki matibabu
na ndiye kiwa bwawe ni gutema barabara na gutigira itingugi bonthe ba Meru bagwita ngugi kwina urungika gutena mateta kana siasa nyingi
boya thato ni ko set the ball rolling nkwira timu ekwa ni ate tubatire gwita mathuganio ya kuromba ngwataniro ikuromba respect for one another na ikuromba twithere twi intentional in delivering development to the people of Meru na muno twite as a team nikenda twita kuraya
indi muthiene etho akimerithia minister barabara itangugi githirikari kawira ati katiba ediuga gavaneta bombe gwitania nwe ndauga we aketho akiba kanya gwitania ngugi nwe mwankarira aketho akithura bawe no twe kinyomwe aketho akiathura kala kunyariria.
And to those who are likely to go with the governor who was there, my former boss, the CECs because that is what the Constitution dictates. I've talked to them, debriefed them, encouraged them that they should not have any tension before that time comes. They've done nothing wrong, especially our CECs, for them to be on their way out. It is the Constitution that dictates so, and we've agreed that there is going to be a very smooth transition, no harassment of our staff, whether you are supporting the previous government, that was the right thing to do.
Muthuri Muriuki, Woro TV, Muthuri wa Kanga.